A happy St. Patrick's Day to you. Hey, let's talk about a trade we had this morning in the GrokStar room. It was on ESPR, Aspiron Therapeutics. And here it was at opening, and then it ran up like this, and then it was coming back in a tight channel. Well, let's take a look at that. If you want to know more about that, we can go to our site, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and we can go to our chart school here to trading patterns, and this is called a bull flag. So right here, bull flag. This is what it looks like. It runs up, and it's coming back in a tight channel. And here's a written description of it. And by the way, you can actually print this off if you want to study it. And here's a couple of examples of what it looks like in a chart. And now we're going to show you another example. So let's go back to our chart, and here we are. It's coming up here, and it's in this tight range. So we set an order just above this area here, and get ready for it to move. But we don't want to get in until it breaks out. So let's see what happens next. It's coming up, and boom! Look at that. Look at that big, huge boom here. And let's pull it down here so we can all see it. And I'm in at $87.51. I'm long on ESPR, and then we're going to bring our stop in just below this $87 area, which was support and resistance, even dollar amount, and look at it running up. Boom, 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 boom. This is great, isn't it? And bring in our stop up here. I'm going to follow this 20 moving average. Now my stop is in the money. I'm playing with the house's money. I love it when that happens. And it was below the $88. Now I'm bringing it up here. I'm just trailing it, giving a little bit of room to run back and forth here. And then guess what happened? It formed another bull flag. And members in the room, I said, get ready to get in this one if it breaks out. And boom, it broke out here, and we called the trade here right at $90. Some people got in here at 90 on the breakout of this bull flag. And again, bringing our stop up here, up underneath here at the 89.50 now, and look at it, it's still booming, and now it's forming not a bull flag, but it's pinching, so we call this a bull pennant now, up here above the $91 area. So I'm bringing my stop up here, just above this 90 area, and let's give it a little bit of room to pull back. It starts to break out, and I'm just going to pull it up a little bit here. I'm not going to go nuts on it, and bam! Look at that. Oh well, stopped out and I got filled at $90.21. So let's take a look at this overall trade here. And we had a bull flag. It broke out. And then it had another bull flag. Other people had an opportunity to get in. And then it did a bull pennant. And then it finally failed that and dropped down. And I got out for 0.3% in 48 minutes. Hoo-ah! Best trade of the day. So let's see what happened after that, and it just kind of sat here and low based for a while, and then bam, started to fall back down again, and the markets also reversed at about this time. Hey, if you'd like to have some training by me, Mark Suffren, and want me to be your mentor, we are having a 301 mentoring program online this weekend. If you're at all interested, either for this session or one we have coming up in the next couple of months, you just go to our site, the old Free Online Trading Education, and go down below here to Trading Education. This is for the more advanced, right? It takes you to our groktrade.com site, go to Education and 301 Mentoring. Brings you right here to our page for our mentoring. And this is lifetime mentoring. It's a 3-day immersion we start out with, but we'll be your mentors from this time forward. And here's a video of it, some testimonials, but here's the critical part. Information, just fill this in and hit submit. And Carolina will give you a call and walk you through the process to see if it's appropriate for you to be in our 301 mentoring, and I could be your mentor starting this weekend. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffren. Hey, just remember that when the first day you started to trade with composure as our only emotion was the day we became successful traders, period. Trade well.